course there's a dumpster behind me. Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we are heading off to Sydney. Hey guys, so I have gone through I suppose the x-rays, you know, like the scanning and stuff, and the airport is pretty empty. I don't know if you guys can tell, like there's only a few people around, which kind of makes sense because it's still a weekday. But yeah, Rimmel London is flying me up to Sydney to attend the LGBTI awards later this evening. I'm so excited. They're putting me up in a nice hotel as well, and I honestly feel like it's so fancy, and I'm just a little bit overwhelmed, so yeah, anyway, here's the gate. It's really quiet. So I've made it to Sydney. I am just waiting for my bag. I'm just at the carousel, and I am apparently going to be picked up. I think it's going to be a limousine. Apparently a guy in a limousine, I think, is going to be picking me up. I am just so dressed casually. It's very interesting. Oh, I see my bag. Oh, thank you. Alright guys, so I am now along, I'd like to say this is George Street, but this could be Pitt Street. No, this is Pitt Street. This is Pitt Street. George Street's the street over. So we've got Westfield on that side, and I think we've got Myer on that side, or the other way around. Anyway, I've dropped the bag off at the hotel. So the room's not quite ready, so I'm just gonna wander around, and maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of work, but just depends. I kind of want to just venture around because I actually do miss Sydney. I haven't been in Sydney, like I've been to Sydney, like I was here last year, but I don't know, it was a really quick trip, and yeah, I just really miss Sydney. So I'm just going to try and take as much of the sights in before I head to the hotel and do a little bit of work, then maybe take a nap because I'm really tired. I've only had like 3 hours sleep, and then get ready for tonight. Guys, so I've made it to Darling Harbour. Yes, that's Cockle Bay Wharf over right there. Yeah, I don't know, it's like the closest place I could go to, that I could walk to, that had water, and you guys know me, I love the water, so I just wanted to chill around here. So now I'm at the coffee shop just at the ground floor of the QT hotel. So I'm just going to do a little bit of editing. I've got a video that's coming out at 12 that I need to sort out the description box for, and it's for a giveaway, by the way. So if you guys haven't joined, definitely join. I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. It's basically for YouTube and on Instagram. So I think the prizes all range around $700 altogether. So you guys are going to be in the winning for $700, and worth the product is international. So again, if you guys are interested, I'll leave links to the actual giveaway down in the description box down below for you guys to join. Oh my gosh, look at this room. I gobsmacked. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Rimmel London. This is so pretty. This room is, I don't think, this is probably the fanciest hotel I've ever been to, and wow, thank you. Alright, so that's the door over there. We've got some interesting coat hangers here. And then we go here, and this kind of just looks like a liquor cabinet to me, but no, it's actually going into the toilet. Oh my gosh, it's got a really, really beautiful bathtub. Oh, pretty. Shower, toilet, I think that's the same thing. Ooh, I've got a hairdryer. Oh well. And this is me. Girl, look at them sinks. Oh, so fancy. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. This is so pretty. I love the ambience. Alright guys, I've just done some work. I've also had a 20-30 minute nap around that time. Really short, but I actually feel really refreshed, so I'm really happy about that. Now I'm feeling a bit hungry, so I'm just going to quickly duck out to grab some food, and then I'm just going to go to the PR agency to say hello, hi, and I'm going to come back and then get ready for tonight. Ooh, alright, it's gotten really bright. So I'm now near, is this St. James station? I'm not really sure, but Oxford is pretty much like down that way. I am just at the Starbucks. So I just got another coffee because I'm really tired. So I ordered the mocha cookie crumble. It's one of the new flavors. I've always gone for like a mocha frappuccino, but yeah, this is a new one. So we'll test this out. That is actually really good. So it's just basically like the normal mocha, but with a cookie aftertaste, like a little bit of a cookie texture. So I'm really happy with that. Alright guys, I'm all dressed up and my best friend Sanita's here. It's also her birthday, so happy birthday. Wish her down in the comment box down below. Happy birthday. So excited. So the PR is about to get here soon, so we're just gonna head down soon and then we'll make our way to the LGBTI awards. Yay! Alright guys, so now we're here at the Star. We're just trying to find out where it is. Of course there's a dumpster behind me. Of course there's a dumpster behind me when I'm filming, that's alright. All the glam. Look at Sanita's glitter. You've got glitter.
Can't get enough.
Oh.
Splash it on.
Oh. I've got highlight upon highlight upon highlight. Sorry. This is amazing. Oh my gosh guys, it is amazing in here. There's the stage. Oh, so pretty. So thankful I'm here. Like, I don't know how many times I've said thank you and how thankful I am. It's just an amazing venue. Oh my gosh, and there's so many famous people.
I'm really proud and honoured. I started at the Swans as a graduate, as I said, and...
Not that they're all big ones. I would like to invite Monique Smith, Marketing Director of Rimmel, and Michael Abid, CEO of SBS, to the stage to present the award.
So the winner of the LGBTI Celebrity Award presented by Rimmel is the marvellous Magda.
Alright guys, so we are back at the hotel. Thank you so much again to Rimmel London for having us. It was just such an amazing night, and to be a part of the LGBTI awards, it was very heartwarming. Like, there were a lot of sad moments as well when people were sharing their struggles and their stories, but at the end of the day it was like a celebration of triumph, and I was so happy to be a part of that. And again, thank you so much to Rimmel London for giving me this opportunity. Words cannot express how thankful I am, and yeah, it was just such a great opportunity. And yeah, as you guys can tell, I've had quite a number of drinks, so I think I should stop vlogging for now. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Wind effect. Hey guys, it is the next day. I've got my makeup on. I've only got a few hours left in Sydney and then I have to head back to Melbourne. So I'm with my friend Sanita. We're just going to have some breakfast. We're just at this cafe. This is at the QVB building. I'm just going to have like a coconut, I think it's called mango and coconut bread and some coffee. And then I'm going to hang out with a couple of other friends for lunch. And then I might check out Oxford Street. It just depends if I have time. And then yeah, to go back to Melbourne. It's such a lovely day. I wish I was staying another day, but I just don't have time. Alright guys, so we're now along Oxford Street. So my friend Sanita has gone to meet up with her friend, had to say goodbye, and now I'm on my way to meet up with my other friends for lunch. I think we're going to go to a place called the Rusty Rabbit. Don't know where it is. I've never been there before. It's gonna be interesting. Oh, so many people already dressed up for Mardi Gras. It's really exciting. It's really early, but there are people already, like, they've got their seats ready so they can have a good view of the parade. So exciting. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to see much of it. Oh wow, look at that. That apartment building has got like rainbow flags. I'm in a part of Sydney that I've never been to, so I'm pretty sure this is still Darlinghurst. Oh, it's very, very different. I wish I knew about these places when I used to live in Wollongong, because I would have loved to kind of like come around and just check these places out. Look at that, that's a really cute cafe. Anyway, again, this place is called the Rusty Rabbit. I think it's further down that way. Alright guys, finally got a seat at the Rusty Rabbit. Oh my gosh, look at their menus, they're so cute. It's an actual comic book that they've just repurposed. And you've got like the menu and then a little bit of the comic. Very, very good. I like that vibe. And look how cute their water cups are. Mardi Gras. Alright guys, so I'm back at the hotel. I've just collected my bag and I'm just waiting for the airport pickup. So pretty much after I had lunch with my friends, we went wandering around the city. So yeah, we ended up back at the hotel and then we just had like a couple of drinks and then yeah, I'm just back here just waiting for the pickup. I'm at the airport, so I'm just waiting for my flight. I don't think my flight's due for another hour or hour and a half, so I think I'm just going to be very productive and I'm just going to start editing this vlog. I'm going to try and edit it on my iPad because I want to get into the habit of editing on the iPad because, like I said, when I go to Japan, I'm just going to be editing on an iPad and try and upload vlogs from there. By the way guys, I've just hit 10,000 followers. I actually hit 10,000 yesterday. I think just before the event. It's all because of that giveaway that I'm a part of, and I'm so happy that I've hit 10,000 on YouTube. It's been something that I've been working on for so long, and I've also just hit 12,000 on Instagram, so it's like so many amazing things happening at once. Like, I felt so overwhelmed yesterday. I kind of wanted to cry because I was so happy, but yeah, again, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Rimmel London for bringing me here to be a part of such an amazing experience, and I don't know how many times I've said thank you throughout the vlog about it. And I also want to thank Black Tie Classic for lending me that suit. It looked amazing. It was the perfect, honestly, the perfect suit I could have worn to an event like that because I honestly don't own anything as fancy as that. So again, thank you so much to Black Tie Classic for lending me the suit. If you guys live in Melbourne and you guys want to rent a suit from a brand that's very inclusive and just very overall accepting of people, doesn't matter what your sexuality is, definitely check them out. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye.